Ludwig Halvin, master of German poster art. Ludwig Halvin, born on 27 July 1874 in Germany, is regarded as one of the most significant and influential graphic designers of the early 20th century. His work, especially in posters, art left an indelible mark on the visual culture of his time and continues to be studied and admired for its distinctive style and effectiveness. Holben's initial career path was not in the arts. He began studying architecture at the Technical University of Munich in 1895, a field that undoubtedly influenced his later work in terms of structure, composition, and an eye for details. His transition from architecture to graphic design came gradually. He has drawn to the visual and practical aspects of commercial art, which offered more immediate creative opportunities and allowed for a broader public engagement. By 1906, Holbein had made a decisive shift towards graphic design. His early works were heavily influenced by the juxtapositional movement known as Art Nouveau in other parts of Europe, characterized by its organic form and elegance. Following lines, however, Holbein soon developed his own style, which was more robust and dynamic compared to the delicate of Juxtapostal. His use of bold colors, strong contrast, and a keen sense of three dimensionally set his work apart. Holben's posters are marked by their striking simplicity and powerful visual impact. He often employed a limited color palette and used it to great effect, creating images that were both memorable and instantly recognizable. His technique involved the use of flat areas of color and a strong emphasis on silhouette, which gave his posters a dramatic and theatrical quality. One of the key elements of Holbein's style was his ability to marry text and image seamlessly. The typography in his posters was not just an addition but an integral part of the design, often intricating with the visual elements of create a cohesive whole. This approach was innovative and set new standards in poster design, influencing many of his contemporaries and successors. Halloween's body of work is extensive, but some of his most notable contributions came in the form of commercial posters and advertisement. His designs for companies like MAN, a major German truck manufacturer, and the famous cigarette brand Marathi are countless example of his ability to combine commercial appeal with artistic integrity. During World War I, Holbein created propaganda posters for the German government. This work showcased his ability to convey strong nationalistic messages through compelling visual means. However, this aspect of his career also drew criticism, particularly during and after World War II, when he designed posters for the Nazi regime. His controversial part of his legacy has led to a complex resonance of his work in the post-war period. Despite the controversies, Holbein's impact on graphic design is undeniable. His work helped shape the modern poster and advertising industries, and his techniques have been widely studied and emulated. Holbein's posters are characterized by their ability to communicate a message swiftly and effectively, a principle that remains central to graphic design today. Holbein's influence extended beyond Germany. His work was exhibited internationally and he gained recognition in the United States and other countries, contributing to the global development of commercial art. His style anticipated many elements of modernist design, particularly in his emphasis on functionality, simplicity, and clarity. Ludwig Holzmann's career as a graphic designer and poster artist exemplifies the intersection of art and commerce. His innovative approach to design, characterized by bold imagery and a seamless integration of text and visual elements, set new standard in the field. Despite the controversies surrounding his work during the Nazi era, Holbein's contribution to graphic design remained influential, marking him a pivotal figure in the history of visual communication.